Welcome to our room selection walkthrough. I'm your host, Josh Maples, Assistant Director of Residential Life. Today, you'll learn how to select your room during the online room selection process. First things first though, log into My Housing Information via GoldLink. On the main page, you'll see a listing of all of your eligible room selection processes. These processes follow the room selection schedule posted on our website. As you can see, under the name of the room selection process, there is a listing of the room selection times. During the listed time frame, you'll be able to select a room. When a process is active, the date and time will show up in red, and a Select Room Suite button will appear, like on our test room selection. I'm going to go ahead and click the button, and am taken to a screen with my roommate group. Since I'm the roommate group leader, I will be selecting a room for all of these individuals. This screen also provides a hall and floor filter. Remember, only halls that everyone is eligible for will appear in the hall drop-down menu. I'm going to select first floor of Scanlon for this test and click Find Available Rooms. This screen shows me all of the available rooms on first floor of Scanlon. I've spoken with my roommate group about the room we want, which is 112, so I'm going to select that one. Next, you'll see a listing of the beds available in 112. This is your opportunity to assign your roommate group to specific beds. Hopefully, you've discussed which people are sharing a bathroom in your roommate group. I'm going to arrange my roommates and submit my room selection. A confirmation screen appears telling me of my success. Everyone in our roommate group will also receive a confirmation email. Now, go back to the main page of My Housing Information just to double check your assignment went through. Click on Fall 2020 and you'll see your new assignment along with your roommates. Now, have your roommates double check their My Housing Information just to be sure everything is ready for the next year. And that's all you need to do for the online room selection process.